Hey guys, in this video we'll go over how to get a transfer pin from Credo mobile. And before you actually begin, you need to get your account number, right? So this is basically the same as your member number. You can actually find this by texting account to 27336. And your transfer pin, which is usually, is also known as the port out pin. Usually it's 0000 or 1234. But if you need confirmation, you can contact their customer service, right? And their mobile customer support number is 1-800-411-0848. And it's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.